Hey guys, Scott Whitner here. We're outside today shooting a video on the next in the series for the Fieldcraft stuff. Today we're covering water purification. What I got here is my water purification kit. What we're going to do is zoom in here. We're going to take a little closer of a look at everything we've got here and show you guys what I got. Okay guys, here we go. We got a closer look at the kit that I have. According to the written article that I will have posted in the bottom of the article here, I usually carry 3 implements to purify water. The first and most important and 100% foolproof way is to purify it by boiling it. So you're going to need some type of container here. What we got here is a aluminum cook pot from the Bear Grylls canteen set. I know a lot of you guys will laugh at the Bear Grylls stuff, but I've beat this thing up quite a bit. I've boiled a lot of water in it, made a lot of coffee and stuff in it, and it has never failed me. I made a few modifications to it. One of them is I spray painted it black with a high temp paint that you would use on charcoal grills, just to help distribute the weight a little bit, or the heat a little bit, and it helps clean it off so it doesn't get sticky. Another thing I did here was remove the rubber material off the handles because that would have burned off anyway in the fire. So first and foremost, you need to have a container to boil water in. Second thing we're going to look at is water purification tablets. We've got a few options here. These are the Aquamira water purification tablets. These are the ones I recommend. They take a few hours to take effect, but it's 1 tablet per liter of water, so carry a 1 liter canteen or water bottle. That way you can throw one of these tabs in it if you have to get the water clean. One trick I learned in the military on my canteens was, on the back here I've duct taped 2 water purification tablets. That way I always know where I've got 2 at. I don't have to go hunting through my ruck for them or anything. I know where they're at. That way I can get to them easy, quick and fast. Also what we got here, I carry this. It's just a 1 liter pouch made by Aqua Pouch. That's got a 1 liter water line on it that you can fill up. Fill it with water. You can throw a purification tab in it if you want to. It's got 2 grommets right here, so you could lash with 550 cord and carry it across your body if you want, or you could just lay it out on a rock in the sun and let the ultraviolet rays purify the water for you. So you got a couple options with this thing here. Next thing we got is the Sawyer mini water filter. We got a couple different options with this. It's easy to use. You can see right here it says flow, so you know what direction the water is going to go. If you're in a military environment or some type of tactical environment where you can't get a fire going to boil water, this is your next best option. If you need water now and you can't wait for purification tabs to take place. One thing you can do with this is actually take this hose that came with it, put it on the end there, pop this cap off, and now you can stick this hose in whatever water source you have available and drink through this top lip part, just like you would a straw. It's like one of those survival straws that they have out there, but this thing, you can run a lot more water through it than you can some of those other throwaway devices. Another option with this thing you have are these squeeze bags. This one here is a 16-ounce Sawyer Squeeze Bag. Pretty much all you do is you unscrew the cap, screw your filter on. Once this bag's full of contaminated water, you take this cap off, hold it over a canteen or a water cup, and you just roll this down. And what that does is push all that water through this filter into your device that catches your water. So that'll give you another way of purifying water without having to start a fire. But I'll put all the specs in the YouTube video. We'll also provide close-up shots of everything in the article that I'm going to write. But most everything that I've got here with regards to the canteen and canteen cup fits in this little pouch that I've got here pretty well. This pouch wasn't made for this. This pouch is actually a Right in the Rain notebook cover, but it fits everything really nice, and it's compact. Doesn't take up much room in your pack at all. So that's all we got on this one, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.